I'm in a devil like Pikachu, bang. Pussy me and the man.
Run out of tears and use to pain. Mount a nigga when me lose the game. Mount a family me have a complaint.
Feelings me apart with energy. Me feel cool iceberg nice sea. Them people ya no show love where me live. Swear.
I navigate, man want secure the food in a mommy plate. You give me the blessings, some of music I dominate. Life is a lesson, me. Simply me try to know. Mrs. Right with the lips, I'm a man with the kiss, but that one look no yeah. Shake it up, me nah jog, I'm in my yard. Shake it up.
I'm a nigga mark. Yeah. After I say what you step or you a step.
I can't run out time motion. Me try sing my past nine ocean. It come back another short gun float pan. I'll overgrow.
Bro, I'm a step, get a step. All my clocks boot there, all my crap from a liquor, I'm a pass through. I fucking hell still I beat them bad Frank White.
No feel like a man swag, and none of them rap.
Skippa and Grung, Jahshii night and gun, shotty nice chapter, Alkaline bang bang, Gabby Klein.
Look how far we are come from. Thank God me reach ya so. Never stop believe me I go make it up. Move out of the sea I'm all out. With the new.
Mr. Mandela, years ago when we met, he said, you know, that when he comes to the States, he would come to our house and he wanted my wife to cook dinner.
Have you seen some of your films?
I think he liked my wife. So no, we had, you know, amazing guests, Oprah Winfrey, this one, that, you know, I mean, a lot of important people. And the neighborhood I live in is like a gated community. Sylvester Stallone just happens to live in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
So they had security and helicopters flying around, people talking in their ears and stuff. And a guy came in and said, you know, sir, Mr. Stallone keeps walking back and forth in front of the house, like trying to hop over the fence, you know, trying to.
Hey, what's going on? Go, Nelson!
So you being a generous guy, you said, come on in.
I said, nah, make him wait. No, I let him go.